Yeah. Right, okay, are we going? Yep, we're on. Okay. Hello, welcome to Jeannie's Art Adventures. Bethany's here today helping. She's doing her one. So we're going to do some negative painting again, and we're going to do dirty pour through it. That's the theory. We've pre-mixed the colours, and if I've got the paints there, I'm going to try adding silicone in between each layer and just see if we can get some bigger cells that way. So I'm just going to put little bits of paint in. And you want to do the same, Beth? Pick whichever colours you want. Yeah, because you've got, just put a little paint in, literally about half that at a time. Depends what colours you want to use. And then we'll just add a little silicone drops in between layers. See how that comes out. I'll put the silicone there, B. Just do the same, just add a little bit in between each layer. I'm going to try blue next. A little bit of blue. This is a new blue colour that I bought. It's like a lovely kind of Wedgwood blue. Whoops, that's fine, B. That's why the cloth's ready there. Right, a little bit more silicone. I'm probably going to end up with like way too much silicone here. Trying to just get a drop at a time out. It's not always that easy though. Whoops. This again is the Holland ones, a lovely turquoise. I have been trying to get some big cells in my painting for ages, and so far all I've got is little ones, hundreds of little ones sometimes, but no yummy big ones. That's it. I'm going to have fun cleaning all this silicone off. You have to clean the silicone off before you varnish, because otherwise the varnish just doesn't stick. I've been cleaning it off by using dilute fairy liquid, and then wiping that off with a wet wipe, and then sprinkling a bit of talcum powder over. And then, actually I don't want that colour next, I'm going to go with the dark. No, I've got the dark, I'm going to have that powder blue next. And then, yeah, after they sprinkle the talcum powder, rub it all over in the hopes that'll absorb any silicone, and then I wipe it over with a bit of kitchen roll and some alcohol. Leave that to dry and then varnish. There. What next? Bit of pink. Beth's got 4 cups, she's got a square canvas, so we'll show you how that turns out when we're finished. Right, a little bit more bronze, and then I'm just going to finish off with a bit of that turquoise. Right, that's all the colour I want, I think. Wiggle it on a little bit. Maybe I might have a bit more of that dark blue. When you finish with the colours, Beth, stick them over at the back there, out of the way, so we don't knock them over. Because it's very easy to knock these little pots over. Right, I'm finished with the colours now, so I'll leave them to you. Right, and then what I'm going to do is try and flip these onto the canvas if I can do it. Put my thumb on it, and then, oops, thanks B. Right, hopefully they'll just stay there. I actually want one down here and one up there. You still, yeah, and then I'm just going to pour the white round, cover it all over, get it close up, cover all the canvas with white right into the corners. This white's already, although I'm pouring it out of here, it's been pre-mixed with some Floetrol and water to get it the right thickness. That one's used up, but here's another one we prepared earlier. Different colour white, I couldn't get the same one, but yeah, it's still titanium white but a different brand. There, that will do. I'll put over there, B. You want to do the same after. Have you finished with the silicone? Oh, you're still doing your colours,
Yeah,
right. I'll just take this little stick, push this up. I don't really worry about it going over the edges. I can always paint them after or fix them, but you don't really want to see me doing that. That's really boring. So I'll spare you that. We'll do that afterwards. These aren't deep edge canvases. They're only like a standard, about what, 1/4 of an inch maybe, 1/2 an inch perhaps. I'm not very good on measurements, but something like that. So I just push the paint up to the edges, and then when I finish painting I'll just pull it down and over. Some of it's pouring over already. That doesn't matter, I'll just smudge it along with my stick. I just want to get the top covered for now. Try and keep the video a bit shorter so you don't have to listen to me rabbiting on forever. I'm trying to just get the bits that are more interesting. I know when I'm watching videos I tend to fast forward all these boring bits covering here. So feel free to do the same, I won't be offended. Right. Don't worry about any little air bubbles that pop up, they'll should pop out, but if not, when you put the torch over at the end, that helps pop them. Right, we're ready. I'm going to just move these round, release little bits of colour at a time, and hopefully get some interesting shapes. I think I'm going to pull them right to the middle and let them join. There, that one's done. And then same again, pull it round, let a little bit bleed out. Oh, must have got more darker blue in this one, and I want them to join up, so there. You can see little bare bits of canvas, but that's fine because, and over here it will just, there we are, push it up. Right, now I'm just going to tilt it a little bit. Doesn't seem to have got any big cells, but and you can see those little bits of canvas will be covered over now. I like this bit down that corner there, if I can keep it. There we are. And I like this really nice dark bit down the bottom, but I want to try and get a little bit down to this corner if I can. Just make a nice sort of shape. And the pink that's in there is a metallic pink, so hopefully when it's dry, there we are, it will make a nice colour. Right, I'm going to take my little bamboo skewer now and just flick a few bits out because I like those sort of edges. Down here, hopefully the white will sink and the colours will rise up and we'll get a little bit more colour in it. And the same with these bits here. Might come up when we torch it maybe. That's nice, that bit. Yep. And those, yeah, the colours coming out there. It just makes it more interesting. A little bit of, you can keep on pulling. You can actually pull the white in as well if you wish. But I don't really do so much of that. Don't know why. Right. How you going, Bee? Just flick the lid, don't unscrew it, just flick the lid and then just pour it round. That's it. Beth put stones on hers to weigh it down, that's quite a good idea.
Couldn't bother to flip the canvas, so I just put them paper.
Yeah, it's kind of, yeah. I saw somebody, yeah, don't paint your phone. Hey, it's my phone. Oh, thanks. That's it. She poured her paint on my phone. Flippin' heck. I know I need a new phone, but I don't really want to get one yet.
Didn't even see it there. Just
Yes, right. Just wait a moment while I just rescue my phone, people. Painting will be resumed in a moment. There. Okay, that's all right.
You've got a bit of comedy in your videos now.
I don't think I've got many videos where there isn't a bit of comedy in, intended or not. Right. Oh, this is nice. I like this. Okay, B, how's yours going? These almost look like them little shark's purses that you get. Shark's eggs and the little purses down by the sea. Yeah, you can see the colours coming out better now. Right, I think I'm going to leave that. I'm just going to torch it. See if anything, got some nice bits there. See if anything interesting happens. Oh yes, can you see some cells popping out there? Usual warning with the torch, don't get it too close to the canvas because you can set it on fire. Don't get it too close to the silicone paper. Oops. Just like that, on fire, because it will easily set on fire, and it's a good idea to have a fire extinguisher. That one's a tenner off Amazon, really good value I think, and it's peace of mind if, like me, you're a bit prone to making mistakes. So yeah, I think I'm getting a bit low on gas, that might be why it popped out. Oh, I've got a spider in it. Oh, come on, my lovely. Go on. I will put you in some water. Where's the water? Here it is. Let's give you a little wash the paint off. Oops. Nose down there. Come on. There we go. Right. We had a bee in here earlier. Now I'm on spider rescue. Come on. Up there. Right, excuse me a moment, people. There we go. I want to get the paint off him because it's not going to really do him a lot of good with paint all over. There, right. No, don't go over there. There's more paint. Right, okay. He's in a safe spot, I think. Down here. There we are. Right, okay. Back to the painting. I'm going to lift it up now so you can see it a bit closer. You see some sort of different effects on there. I love this really dark colour up there. And when it dries out, I'll add some photos to the blog of it dry. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button if you like it. Subscribe if you want to subscribe. Or just go off and watch somebody else's if you've had enough. Bye. See what I find. As normal, I haven't switched it off. Right. Stop, stop, stop. I can't stop it.